Have you ever wondered how your phone unlocks just by looking at your face? Or how Netflix always seems to know what you want to binge next? That's not magic. That's artificial intelligence. But don't worry, you don't need a PhD or a tech background to understand it. In this video, we're going to break down the core concepts of AI in a way that's simple, visual, and actually fun to watch. Whether you're tech-savvy or totally new to the topic, by the end of this video, AI will make a lot more sense. What is AI? Let's start with the basics. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence, which means creating machines or software that can simulate human intelligence. In other words, AI allows machines to think, learn, and make decisions, kind of like us. But AI isn't just one thing. It's actually a family of technologies, including machine learning, where computers learn from data; deep learning, which mimics how our brain works; natural language processing, or NLP, which helps computers understand human language; and more, like computer vision that helps machines see and understand images. All of these are branches of AI that you interact with daily, probably without even knowing it. Machine learning. Now, let's zoom in on one of AI's most powerful tools, machine learning. Think of it as teaching computers the way you'd teach a kid, by giving them lots of examples. For example, if you show a machine 1,000 pictures of cats and 1,000 pictures of dogs, it eventually learns the difference. Not because you told it the rules, but because it saw enough patterns to figure it out. This is the tech behind your email spam filters, the videos YouTube recommends, how banks detect fraud in your transactions. It's all about data. The more it learns, the better it gets. Deep learning. Deep learning takes machine learning to the next level. It's inspired by the human brain and uses something called neural networks, which are systems designed to simulate how our neurons connect and process information. Imagine a bunch of layers where data enters one side, goes through multiple decision-making steps, and comes out with an answer. Just like how a child learns to recognize shapes or colors over time, deep learning allows machines to get better at recognizing complex patterns. This is what powers technologies like self-driving cars that can detect stop signs and pedestrians, facial recognition systems, even medical tools that detect diseases from scans, natural language processing, NLP, 5 minutes to 6:15. All right, let's talk about one of the coolest and most relatable parts of AI, natural language processing, or NLP. This is the branch that helps machines understand and respond in human language. If you've ever asked Siri to set a reminder or had ChatGPT help write an email, that's NLP in action. It's what powers chatbots, language translators, text summarizers, and voice assistants. And it's not just about recognizing words, it's about understanding meaning, context, and even tone. In short, it helps machines talk like us, and sometimes even better. Real-world applications. Now you might be wondering, where do I actually see AI in real life? The answer? Everywhere. AI is quietly working behind the scenes in your smartphone, predicting text and organizing photos; fitness apps, analyzing your health stats; e-commerce, showing you the exact product you want; banking, helping detect fraud in real time. It's also transforming big industries like agriculture, education, and healthcare, helping with crop monitoring, personalized learning, and even early disease detection. It's not the future anymore. AI is already part of your everyday life. Common misconceptions. Now let's clear up a big myth. AI is not some all-knowing robot trying to take over the world. It doesn't have feelings, consciousness, or intentions. It's just a very smart tool. One that follows instructions, learns from data, and solves specific problems. So no, the Terminator scenario, that's Hollywood. Real AI, it's code, models, and lots of training data. It's not here to replace us. It's here to assist us. So now you know the truth behind the buzzword. AI isn't magic, it's just clever math, massive data, and a sprinkle of brilliance from engineers and scientists. And the best part? You don't have to be a coder or a tech geek to be a part of it. Want to learn how to use AI tools in your own life or job? We've got tutorials, tool reviews, and tips coming up every week. So make sure to hit subscribe, give this video a like, and let me know in the comments. What's one AI tool or app that surprised you recently? Until next time, stay curious and stay smart.